Introducing the brand new Torrent Casting Series. The Torrent Casting Series is crafted with high quality IM6 carbon. These rods are extremely light, sensitive, and well balanced. The Torrent Casting Series features a pure power transition blend. Our specialized computer control wrapping at 4 different angles, paired with an 8+1 strategically distributed guide system, ensures consistent and smooth power transition throughout the bed. Pure power transition means better control on strong hook sets and long battles with big fish. The S-style hook keeper makes it easy to hook and unhook your baits while out in the water. You spoke, we listened. We've crammed the Torrent series full of high-end features to give you a high-quality rod series at a price that anyone can afford. Grab your own Torrent Casting Series rod, and as always, don't forget to fish with family.
Hi, Kevin Malone, Abu Garcia Product Manager, here with the all-new Vengeance rod. Engineered with balance and lightweight design in mind, the Vengeance rods start with our 24-ton high modulus graphite construction. This grade of graphite really allows us to achieve lightweight, sensitive blanks. Vengeance also features our stainless steel guides with stainless steel inserts, making them work well for all line types and very durable. Also, the new Vengeance features our high-density EVA split grips, as well as a new exposed blank reel seat design, allowing vibrations to be transmitted to the hand very easily. Available in 6 casting models and 8 spinning models, the Vengeance family has something for every technique. So if you're looking for excellent performance at a great value, be sure to check out the Vengeance rods at abugarcia.com.
Hey everyone, Abu Garcia Pro, Hunter Schrock here. I want to talk about my favorite rod in the Abu Garcia lineup, the Veritas series. I have a ton of confidence in this rod. It's one of the first rods I've ever used, and it's grown with me throughout the years. And there's so many great characteristics on this low price point rod. First is the foam handle. Has a great locking seat for your reel that's going to keep it secure at all times. Moving all the way up to the bait keeper here, it's a very unique bait keeper that you can slide your Texas rig in, not having to unhook it from your plastic. All the way up to the blank, it's 30-ton graphite. It's super light, strong, and durable, very sensitive, and the titanium guides are light and also very strong. If you haven't checked out this Abu Garcia Veritas rod, I suggest you do.